Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if you're looking for a timeless jewelry piece that would make a perfect, beautiful gift for someone or a little treat for yourself that'll make you smile every time you wear it, you've got to check out this pendant that I got from Jewelaura. This has such a simple elegance to it that it looks really good with dress clothes, but also with casual. It's a really versatile look. I got the 14 karat solid white gold pendant without chain. I had my own chain, so I opted to use that. These are made in-house and the moissanite stones are hand selected to make sure that they have the brilliant fire that you expect to see in a quality stone. This is a half carat with VVS1 clarity, and it just sparkles more than any diamond will because it has a higher refractive index than diamonds do. The setting on this gives me the confidence to wear it on a daily basis because it has a double loop bunny ear bail. Not only does that keep it very secure, but it keeps the focus on the stone. And it even has a closable soft lined pouch so that you can put the pendant in it knowing that it's not going to get scratched up from bouncing around your jewelry box. And whenever you want it, you know exactly where to look for it. I'm very impressed by the quality that Jewelaura put into making this pendant, and they have so many different designs and styles of jewelry that you're sure to find the perfect gift for someone, or again, just get it for yourself. And that's my point of view.